All right, so let's get started. Hello everyone. So Core Call today of July 23rd, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Let's start with Shatter.
Hi everyone. On Shatter End, we are working on improving the validator registration UX on one end, and we are also working on the keeper releases that we mentioned last week. Still a work in progress. And that's it.
Let me check. I wasn't very available last week, so routine not working properly, backend fixes. Okay, so fixes basically. Sounds good. Testing?
I was working on East T8N, creating new JQ mapper for East and all stuff related to East testing.
All right. I guess there's many people now involved with testing, so maybe Marcos or Lion or whoever else has anything to say.
Yeah, regarding the DevNets, we added Teku and Lodestar. So we have now Nethermind without Lighthouse, not Teku and Lodestar. I am facing some issues with running with Nimbus. I don't know if it's the image that I use as base. I will keep digging on it later today. And I'm waiting for DevJit for the red implementation or the red image that supports the Fusaka changes. I'm trying to debug with the guys from Nericon the mismatch on the Genesis and try to see what is the issue. So yeah.
Okay, so that's for the DevNet 2, right?
Yeah, that's DevNet 2. And as soon as we get the DevNet 3 changes, we can just restart the network, and we should not face issues with the clients in that time. And we should just restart with those same clients, and it should not be that long in like this one, for example.
All right, so right now we have only Nethermind on the EL, right?
Nethermind what?
On the execution layer, so no no rest, and no.
Exactly, we need the other ones with the Fusaka changes for Gnosis.
And on the CL, you have Teku and Lodestar. Nimbus, you have an issue, and then
Lighthouse, Teku, and Lighthouse, Teku, and Lodestar.
Perfect. All right, so that doesn't sound too bad then. Thank you. Anyone else on the testing side? All right, so let's move on to generic client updates. Nethermind.
Hello. So we just released 132.3 with few fixes around archive node, around some issue basically edge case around block processing, where it tends to hang, and also some small performance and stability issues being fixed. Yeah, and right now we progress with 133. It's 132.3 for clarity. And yeah, 133 we are working on right now, but yeah, it will take some time as we identified quite a few regressions, so need to figure out that first. And except of that, of course, we are focusing a lot on Fusaka.
Makes sense. Thank you, Aragon.
Thank you.
Hi. So no major updates. We are a little slow on the 3.1 timeline, and we're going to be releasing 3.0.15 this week with some bug fixes. We're also ready with DevNet 3 for Ethereum, Fusaka, DevNet, and the issue that Marcus mentioned. Well, I couldn't figure out why that issue is there, but it seems like the config is different from the last time we were doing DevNet. So there are like some few changes here and there. So maybe it would help to get a differential, but we haven't done any changes that should affect how your Genesis hash is generated from Aragon. That's it. Thank you.
So that maybe we can have a kind of call or so tomorrow and trying to go over the changes and why some of them are there. So let's try to schedule something async. Thank you, man.
Thank you, guys. Guillaume is not present, so let's move on to Reth.
Hi, so the 151 upgrade is complete, and once the PR gets merged, I'll make a release for that. This was mostly needed by Chorus 1 in order to run their validators. Next, so regarding Marcos's Fusaka DevNet, there are some changes of Fusaka in the latest release, like in the 151, but not all. And there are several Fusaka changes which are unstable on Reth, like even the upstream Reth. So it might take a while to get Reth on the DevNet too.
Sorry, I didn't understand. So it is not possible right now, or it might be possible?
It is not possible right now, so we'll have to rebase to a different branch on the upstream Reth in order to make it possible. But like those will be soon merged to main anyways when the features and types are stabilized. But we'll have to wait a bit for that.
All right, sounds good. And then you mentioned something about Chorus 1.
Oh yeah, Chorus 1 wants a release for the 151 and hopefully 16 as well. So that's why we have upgraded to 151 in the middle. Yeah, this was mostly asked for by Chorus 1.
Okay. Do we know why they wanted an update?
The Ethereum mainnet validators they run, they are all on 151 and they just wanted the Gnosis one as well.
Okay, got it. Thank you. All right, just looking quickly into the last week. By the way, thank you, Darkline, for managing the calls a few last weeks. It was a crazy conference season. Okay, is there anything else to add? All right, then in this case, thank you everyone for joining. Marcus, I guess you had to send me something. I don't remember exactly about what. And I guess you'll figure things out with Summit for Aragon. And yeah, thanks for joining and see you next week.
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thanks,
Bye,
guys.
guys.
Bye.
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 Bye, guys.